Yo guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how to dress. You know, they say you are dressed the way you dress. So today we'll be talking about how to dress. Like if you are under budget, how to dress. No, I know some of us we don't have all like enough money for the clothes and the rest, but you can still dress in a way that is presentable that you can even mingle with those that bought expensive clothes and they will not know the difference. So how to dress, the basics that you need in your wardrobe are your white plain t-shirt, your black plain t-shirt. Those are for the top. Then going to the bottom, you need your black trousers, then blue denim. Your blue denim is important. You also need chinos. Yeah, you wear those chinos. Going down, what you need again is your white sneakers. Once you've gotten those white sneakers, those one are for like if you want to go out official or you want to go on a date or stuff like that, you wear the white sneakers. Because white sneakers goes with a lot of things. You wear that. What you need again is your flip flop. You wear those flip flop like when you want to casual dress, you just want to go out casually, you just wear those flip flop and then you go out like that. So that's what you'll be needing. That's it. You can mix and match and go out anyhow, anytime you want. So these are the essentials that you need in any wardrobe, be it celebrity. If you even check out the celebrities in any wardrobe, what style the wardrobe, these are the essentials. These are what you have before you build any other kind of outfit you want around it. You can buy any other thing and wear with it, but these are the essential. This is what you start your wardrobe with. So that's what you'll be needing. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, comment and like. Peace. See you soon.
Nobody better than me, I swear. If you know Soji, have no fear. I spend money on the things I wear.